She crazy. She crazy. You crazy, Souffle? Morning. So, you haven't really seen me vlogging for a very, very long time. So that's what I'm gonna do. Today, maybe even tomorrow, it might carry on to the weekend, we are gonna vlog. But the reason I'm vlogging today is because I'm actually washing this mane of a mess. We're on day 7 here, which means it's wash day for me. So yeah, let's wash it. Now I'll show you the oil after. I did put oil in my scalp because I know that I'm washing it today, and apparently if you put oil in your scalp over time, it should help with your scalp, because I have really dry scalp and I can't put too much product on my scalp anyway, because then it just weigh my hair down. So let's take my darling dog out for a walk. Alright, so this is day 7 of hair. Now I'm gonna soak it and put this on my hair. This is the Curl Smith Bond Curl Rehab Solve. It's amazing. So I'm gonna put that on my hair. Sometimes I like to put a bit of oil in and dry brush it before I do this, so it's not that hard to brush, but I don't always do that. I like to alternate. I like to put treatment in and then brush it, because there's not as much breakage, and sometimes I put oil in and brush it out because, again, not as much breakage. And this is the Curl Smith Bonding Oil. I love this stuff. So yeah, oh, I did put some oil in my scalp last night because that's meant to help like your scalp, and I do have psoriasis in my scalp and it actually felt nice. So yeah, let me soak my hair and put that treatment in, and then we'll brush it together. All right, hair is wet, so I'm just gonna start putting this stuff in. I love this. I usually start off at the ends. I don't use a towel in my hair, or I'm just putting it around me because, why am I putting it around me? Oh, because the t-shirt is not that long enough. This stuff is amazing. I like to start at the ends. I would rake it in, but it's very knotty, so I'm just putting it in. It feels so good. And I put a little bit at the top, just what's left in my hand after. But most of it goes on the ends. Kind of like detangle as I go through. I get a lot of fallout because I don't actually brush my hair in between washes. I refreshed my hair not yesterday, day before, so day 5, and I soaked it and brushed it out a little bit. So it's only had one brush in between, so I'm gonna get a lot of fallout, which is okay. Just making sure I always miss a strand back here. I grab my Denman brush and I just start brushing. My Starbucks is here, so I'm gonna not start brushing right now. Okay, Starbucks is here, and what I like to do is just take it in sections and brush it out. Very slowly. I say slowly. My hair's quite fine, so it doesn't take a long time, but it still can hurt. And that is just one section. All right, I'm gonna speed through the rest. Okay, now I'm gonna stick my hair up. I have a little scrunchie for this, but I can't find one. You know, you can never find something when you want it. All right, so there we have it. Now on to Starbucks. So we have a toffee nut latte, is it? Yep. And some biscuits, which I'm going to eat, and a chocolate croissant. Hold on. Croissant. I couldn't find the vanilla latte, which I like, and this. Oh, okay. Well,
gonna enjoy that.
Sectioned my hair. We're gonna start off with the bottom. I haven't actually done it section by section, but I've got time today. So, what products to use today? I've got so many different ones. I do love the foam. This is so nice. I've got the in-shower styler. This again is so good. It's got a hold of 10, and trust me, for 3 days my curls didn't need refreshing with that. Oh, I haven't tried this though, the Hydra Style Flexi Jelly. This has got a hold of 7. I don't know, should I just do a mixture of all 3? You're not really meant to, especially on fine hair, but I'll leave it towards the ends. But the mousse I can put in my roots, because that does hold really well. So yeah, let's do that. More, the one that I really like, that I started off with, I've got barely any left in here, I've got a backup though, is the Curling Defining Style Souffle. This is really nice. And all Curlsmith stuff smells amazing. All right, let's do this. Let's start with the foam. Shake, shake, shake. Already have hair in my hand. I only use like tiny bits of product. All right. And then this one I can get at the roots, or you can use this method, which is the praying hand method. Whatever method suits you, I do try. Then let's go in with a bit of the jelly. I've not used this yet. My deputy at work, she gave it to me. All right, let's try this. I'm gonna keep this towards the bottom. This bit of hair, you're not ready. And then I'm gonna take the tiniest amount of this. This is so good. And it's like a clear gel as well. It's a bit thicker in formula. Then what I'm gonna do, get my Denman brush and just brush underneath. There is a way, you do it section by section. This feels like it's going forever. And then you just curl it. Which I'm not the greatest at, but it like creates ringlets. I'm still learning, okay? And plus I'm not really coordinated. And just scrunch it. Once you've scrunched, when you're diffusing, do not touch it. There's another method I like, which is this. The Denman brush method is a bit too hard for me. I'm just not coordinated enough. So you kind of take it in your 2 fingers and wrap. It's called the finger coil, I think. And then, now that they're all done, I'm just gonna scrunch. All right, so I'm gonna do that on every section. I'm just gonna section till I'm at the top. And then I'll show you what it looks like after. This is what we're looking like right now. I'm gonna go and get the diffuser and diffuse my hair. Once I do all the coiling, I do give it a good scrunch. One thing that doesn't get quite scrunched is my roots. That's one thing I struggle with, but it will get there. A little bit of heat protectant. I've got the L'Oreal Elvive. I don't even know if this is any good, but I needed heat protectant. Just gonna scrunch a little. Right, no more scrunching, otherwise I'm going to end up with no cast. The lowest heat, so not cool, but the lowest hot temperature, and then I just turn it on. But this is apparently called Pixie Pixie Drying or something, where you like put it in, turn it on for about 20-30 seconds, take it, turn it off, then take it out. So lift and on. And then I will flip. Alright, flip like this, go up like that. This is what we're looking like right now. I'm just waiting for a little bit more to dry and then I can put the oil in and separate a few more curls. I've started to separate slowly at the front, but I need to separate a few more and then fluff this up a bit. Let's put some oil in. Like I said, this is the Curl Smith bonding oil. I love it. I put 1 pump, warm it up in my hands, and then use the praying hands motion to put it on my hair. Let's do it over here. Alright, and then we're gonna scrunch the crunch. So if you've got a cast, this is the best time to scrunch the cast out. Next thing to do is I get this pick and I just go underneath and kind of like lift and shake to get some volume, because can you see there is no volume over here? I barely have volume in my hair, to be fair. You can do this with your fingers as well. Another thing I like to do is flip my hair over and shimmy shimmy shimmy. It's getting there. Alright, and then you kind of can separate some of your curls. Now this is the bane of my life. It doesn't fucking curl. Just lightly separate. I love this side. I need more on this side. This side, no matter what, if I have volume, more over here, none over here. I don't like to put the oil too much at the root. Like I say, too much product up my root doesn't help it last. Alright, I'm just checking the mirror. I've seen other people when they use the pick at the top, but my hair's flat and I find like doing that, it just, I'm very uncoordinated by the way, so I find going underneath works best. You know what? I think I'm having the best hair day I've had in a little while. I'm just still needing to learn with the front part of my hair, but I will get there. There we go. Well, I'd just like to end yesterday's vlog, well, the vlog you're seeing now, the way I started it in bed. I am so tired. But yeah, I will say bye-bye and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.